Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw everyone's favorite grumpy Christmas character, and that is the Grinch. Now, I'm going to make him in the little kid style that he was at the beginning of the movie. So, to draw this, we're going to start by making a nice circle for the eye right here. And then I'm going to make another circle for the other eye right over here. Then inside of here, I'm going to add a circle and then a small circle in there. And then I'm just going to color in this bigger circle. Then you want to do the same thing here. Just add a circle, a little circle, and then just kind of color in the rest of it. Now for his nose, it's going to be right below the eyes. And I'm just going to draw kind of like a little upside down triangle shape like this. Then, down below the nose, I'm going to leave quite a bit of space, and I'm going to make his mouth. So, very easy, you just want to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down like a sad face. And then, you're just going to draw a little line that goes straight across, so it looks like half a circle. And then, I'm just going to color in the very bottom of this so it looks like he has some teeth. Now, right above his eyes, I'm going to make the eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a little curved line like this, and then another one right up here. And then I want to make them look really bushy. So I'm going to make some little zigzag lines on top of here, and then do the same thing here. That way they look like they're really furry. Next we want to draw his face. So I'm going to start by drawing a line here that just kind of goes down and it's going to curve around. But when I curve, I want it to be kind of pointy so that it looks like he's got some hair. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And as I curve out, I'm just going to kind of come back and make these little kind of pointy line shapes like this. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, just kind of go down, and then as I curve out, just going to make some of these little pointy line shapes like this. And then I'm just going to connect them together. Now for the top of his hair, you're just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and I'm going to make a few little kind of pointy lines. And then the top one, I'm just going to kind of curve it and come back down like this. Then I'm going to add a few more little pointy lines and then just kind of come back to here. Now, starting right underneath his face, I'm going to draw a little curved line that goes down and comes back up. And then I'm going to add another one right underneath there for his scarf. Now for his body, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to curve this out, and just like I did on the face, I'm going to make it look like it's very furry. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of go down. Then as I curve out, just make it look like it's furry, and then just connect them. Now he also has his arms. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, it's going to go out, and then it's just going to curve right up to here. Then same thing on this side, start by the scarf, just kind of go down right around the body, and I'm just going to curve down and up. Now for the legs. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, and I want it to be really skinny as I get closer towards the bottom. So then same thing here, draw a line that goes down, and then another one right here, and make it really skinny as it gets closer to the bottom. Then for his feet, you're just going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come to a point and then come back, kind of like a triangle shape. Same thing here, just go out, make it come to a point, and then bring it back up to here. Then right back here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down from his scarf to his arm. And then I'm going to jump over here, bring this line, it's going to go down to his leg, and then just connect right to here. And then I'm just going to make some long lines hanging down, and this is going to be like the tail of his scarf. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Grinch as a kid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.